Hi there, I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purposes only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Well, here we are. Another nice green day for the market. We're up about 12, sitting right at 2750. If you look at a chart, let me pull up the SPX here, folks. If you look at a chart, as much as I love Johnny Carson, of the SPX, there we go. You can see we're at yet another new high after another higher low. We continue to show strength, hold above the 50-day. Volatility is coming in. That's a driver. The next piece to look at is the bond market, which is down again. Not crazy, but it's down. You'll also notice that the strong index today is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. You got Apple way up again. Apple looks like it's going to 200. You've got, that's going to be a big piece. That's becoming a bigger and bigger piece of the Dow. Caterpillar's up, Deere down a little bit, but you can see you've got some strength there. Your energy names, that's a big piece. They're up again. Energy and retail are the two leading pieces today. Exxon is up. Chevron is up. And oil seems to have found a floor because the dollar is finally softening up as well. So what is that bringing us? Well, if you take a look, VXX is getting real soft. All right, VIX looks like it wants to get back into the 12s, and it could do that today. It absolutely could. If the market keeps this up, it will. And you can see that, the VIX, this red line, the vol is getting, the options on VIX are getting pretty cheap. So hedging costs are really falling, and you can see that there is some real strength in kind of the overall market, and it continues to kind of work its way around. So some things I'm going to be looking at today. Palo Alto has earnings tonight. That could be kind of interesting to play with. We continue to see strength out of the semiconductors, which have been super strong. That was my trade idea of the week over on Friday. Oh, there you go. But we'll play with PA&W. A little pre-announcement can create some funness. But you can see that my trade idea of the week is really performing well. I'm going to look around at Navistar had earnings this morning. So we're going to play around with some earnings names. We're going to look at Apple and some of the names that have been kind of off to the races. And we will look at some of these financial names which continue to perform. And, of course, I'll play with energy. So we've got a lot to cover today. We're going to have a lot to play around with. I think we could see another day of up, 18 to 20 by the time everything's done. We have, I believe, factory orders at 9 Eastern or at 10 Eastern. That's about the only thing that's a major news piece. There's not a lot of news this week, so I think there's a decent chance for volatility to really fall off. All right, folks. I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon.